Hello everyone, this is Babakar Haider, and today we're gonna be working on a tutorial. It's an After Effects tutorial for green screen. Um, it's not that tough to get into green screen or in order to be able to manipulate green screen footages. So we're gonna keep things short. For beginners, we just who are not even familiar with the software, we just go into the new composition. We make the composition size and we hit OK. Even if we need background, we just need to clearly tell that what sort of background we need. So when I'm done making a composition, it's gonna look like this. So I will drag the things I need into my composition to make it look like this. Okay, the green screen footage it is you know um, some you know particles just like flames coming out you know into ashes and all that stuff. So what we need to do now, in order to remove this green screen background, we need to go into effects and preset. They will be appearing here, and if you cannot access them here, you can always go into workspace, go into all panels. Everything will fall back to place. So, and the other way to access effects and presets, you can always go into effects and access them from here. So let's get into it. So we need a preset effect. It's called key light. We drag that effect onto our layer, and we will just need to click our color picker and just click on the footage. Boom, it's gone. So we can clearly see some of the ashes jumping on our footage. So I have another layer for the lower thirds, because I would like to add some text to my video and have the whole lower third animated. So I'm just gonna go drag and drop the effect, and I'm just gonna go do the same, use the color picker and click boom, and it's removed. And you can now see that having that lower third in my scene will actually allow me to use text. So I can always go add text to it. Text, just add it here. Of course press S in order to change the size of the text according to your wants. And you can add another text layer here, like you can make it small, add it here again, just scale it, I beg your pardon, small scale. It's white. Of course you don't want to add white to white. So for that we have this corrector here. I can always go and choose to make it black. So there you go. So that's pretty much it, guys, for now. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and take care.